This is Beth Giacomo, Patchwork Arts Council Executive Director. I'm excited to invite you to join us for the presentation of a special collaboration with artist Han Quinn. Part 1 will begin with a screening of My New Land, a cinema-style digital art and sound installation, which will be projected on the Patchwork Lighthouse. Part 2 will include a series of poetry readings. Artist Han Quinn collaborated with the community of Long Island to portray the layers of diasporic identity shaped by the immigration experience. This outdoor public art projection highlights immigrants using large-scale portraits digitally projected onto the Patchwork Lighthouse and features sound by musician Margaret Schedel. Schedel created the soundtrack based on the interviews of community leaders.
This project spotlights the unsung heroes, whose portrait will appear on the lighthouse. They are Yanping Yu, Michael Xingjing, Lucy Kwong, Clark Cotes, Frank Sparks-Uzman. This project started with my wish that arts can call for self-awareness, identity growth, especially for immigrants and first-generation kids. Let the community members vote for their own unsung heroes who deserves artistic recognition. My hope is to foster empowerment and inclusivity. Portraits are created by high-resolution 3D scanning with poetic color and textures inspired by their new identity. As you will see in the video and hear the sound, the portraits shows the selected community leaders' new established identity, their wishes and thoughts on this new land.
Crying out loud, who am I? Sky, my father, earth, my mom. For what was I born? Twilight descends at the incision of heaven and earth. Who am I?
Family history. Of 9 sisters, she was the only one who held on to her land. Her great-granddaughter lives there still and remembers her silhouette, hooked nose and cascading hair, barbed like the ancient branches of her olive tree,